Ready? Huh? Ooh, I just got nervous. Almost hit my instructor. All right, first flight.
Go step by step to your left. Go step by step to your left.
Ooh, lots of lift, lots of lift. Lots of lift.
Keep going step by step to your left. It's a little bumpy because you passed the terminal. Keep going past the canyon.
Ooh, I'm a little rusty, everyone. I'm nervous. Yeah, we got a little white cap at the ocean.
Okay, keep going more front.
I'm pretty high. How's that for a view, everyone? He's doing some acrobatics down there, showing off.
Hey, Benny, can you tell Hardy you landed? I landed nice and safe. Benny, can you tell Hardy that I land nice and safe?
One down safe, Hadi. One down safe.
Okay. Pay attention. Thank you. And Mark is coming too.
How's that for a view? Do a little 360 over the ocean. Spot my landing.
Go to your left. Go more left. More left. Hold it. Okay, step by step, go to your right brake, hand off, go straight.
Gotta put my weight forward.
Okay, step by step, go to your left. Step by step, go to your left. Okay, go straight. Okay. Hand up. Check your reserve. Relax. Lean back. Go all the way front.
5 step, go little to your left, go more front, towards the ocean, little left brake. Left brake more, keep going more front. Don't play too much. You got it. Don't play too much, perfect. Juan, do you copy, Juan? Okay, Kate, Mike in the air, over.
Yes, go ahead, Hardy.
Okay, Kate in the air.
Yes, he just landed nice and safe. He did a really good landing. He did better than me. I mean, it was like on the movies, like a very nice landing. You copy that, Hardy? Hardy, you copy me? Can you realize that message, Ben? You got your radio, Ben?
Okay, Mike, keep going a little more front. Don't pass the road. Turn to left, face to downtown Los Angeles. Fly, top the
Pull the big gear.
coast. So turn to
No, you don't need to pull big gears. He's okay. He's landing. I'm gonna go help him. He's doing okay.
more left, face to downtown, more left, more left. Okay, keep going. Juan, do you copy? Juan?
I'm right here. I'm gonna help him to land.
I got a wand.
Juan, do you copy?
I got it.
Okay, I know how
I got
to
it. I'm good.
do
I'm good.
Don't
pull any brakes, okay? Don't pull any brakes.
Let me know.
I'm just gonna aim for the tourists.
Oh, you fucking... Oh, fuck. I thought you were Mike. Don't pull any brakes.
Kill it. You were Mike, buddy. Oh, yeah, these. Pull your seats. The seats. Oh, these. Yeah, these.
I got it.